An awning tent is a fantastic way to have a comfy campsite or sheltered area anytime you're road tripping.
They easily attach to an Adventure King's awning and are a fully enclosed room. They even have their own roof and floor, so you know they're waterproof.
There are fly screens on both windows and the main door, and there's even a door to get back into your car. That makes life easy. And you can make these as comfortable as your room at home. Add a self-inflating mattress and some bedding and you've got a huge bedroom. Or throw in a table and chairs and you have a nice covered area to relax or have a feed.
And you can have your lights and power to keep all your devices charged. If you want a spacious, easy and comfy camp or shelter anytime, you need an Adventure King's awning tent.